Hello everyone, I am a MBBS student of Diamond Harbour Government Medical College and Hospitals. Today I will show you the Catalase test through this video. First of all, we should know why it is called the Catalase test. It is called the Catalase test because it detects the presence of the Catalase enzyme in the bacteria like the Staphylococcus aureus or aerobic bacillus, or we can say the Listeria monocytogenes, etc. Now you need to know the purpose of the Catalase test. The Catalase test is primarily used to differentiate Streptococcus from the Staphylococcus, right? Now, why do we need to differentiate between the Streptococcus and the Staphylococcus? Because we all know differentiation is required to distinguish morphologically similar gram-positive cocci like the Staphylococcus and Streptococcus for accurate bacterial identification and diagnosis. Because you all know Staphylococcus commonly causes the skin infections, abscesses, food poisoning, but the Streptococcus can cause pharyngitis, rheumatic fever, scarlet fever, etc. Now, for performing this test, we require clean glass slides, 3% hydrogen peroxides, fresh bacterial colony, and cover slips. You can see this is hydrogen peroxides. This is dropper transfer pipette. This is bacterial cultures. The procedure of this test: first I took a clean glass slide for the Catalase test. Now I am adding a few drop of 3% hydrogen peroxide on the slide. Now you can see, now I am taking a small bacterial colony using the edge of a sterile cover slip. You can see now I am mixing this bacterial colony with the hydrogen peroxide drop on the slide. After mixing, now I will observe for the bubble formation. Now as you can see, rapid bubbles are forming. Therefore, my bacterial colony belong to the Staphylococcus group. Catalase is an intracellular enzyme present inside bacterial cell that decomposes hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygens. That released oxygen gas appear as bubble. Now my interference is, this is positive Catalase test, indicate that the bacteria produce Catalase and most likely belong to the Staphylococcus group, not Streptococcus. Now my Catalase is positive. The next test is usually the Coagulase test to identify Staphylococcus aureus.